back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to do some salmon, a salmon fillet. We're going to do this in the oven. It is super easy. I often get messages about people saying how to cook fish, they find it difficult. Well, this one isn't. This is super easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get straight into this one. It's really super easy. So, I've got a dish here that's going to go in the oven. I'm using a metal one, but you could be using a glass or a ceramic. It was just the same. Get some sliced lemon, you know, that kind of. Lay them on the bottom there. We're going to grab our fish. There you go, there's my salmon. I've got skin on. If you've got skin on or off, it makes no difference. Pop that on. What we're going to do, add a little bit of lemon juice. Little bit of olive oil. We're going to grab some salt. We're going to hit this with a bit of black pepper. And just to protect it and give it a little bit more zest and lemonness, let's cover it with that. Let's keep it nice and moist in there. No need to cover it in that case. Really simply, that's going to go into a preheated oven. I'm going to go into my oven for about 20-25 minutes with that at 250 C. So simple. It'll come out, it'll be beautiful. Okay, here we go. Straight out the oven. Let me just close that. And there she is. Beautiful. So as you can see, the lemon is blackened, but don't worry about that. Just kept it nice and moist. Just getting that off. That looks gorgeous. Okay, let me get that onto a plate. Okay, there she blows. Just scoop that out. Really easy. What we're going to do now, we're going to cut it. See what it's like inside. I mean, you can cut it, cook it as long as you want and get it as cooked as much as you like, but yeah. That's where I want that one to be. Nicely cooked all the way through. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a great deal. And we will see you soon. Lots of love.